To set spirit up sound audio as Bluetooth device in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select sounds and vibration, and then scroll down sounds and vibration stream, tap spirit audio sound, spirit up sound, and then tap audio device. If disabled, you must turn on spirit audio sound first. If off, tap turn on now switch until blue to turn on. And then select audio device. Select Bluetooth. Select the audio device you want to use for the apps you select. Play media sound from apps you select on a spirit audio device. Make sure you choose an audio device that's different from your main audio output device. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.